Right. Let's just turn on the fan, shall we? And even with the 60-inch blades, these Tiaras tend to move a lot of air. Which I got a 52-inch one in the original box at home. With the Tiffany bow light. This is one of my favorites of all time. No doubts.
And then you can do the aluminum blades on it, which is this one.
And yeah, this is the largest motor put in it.
But that one, by law, has to be about 10 feet.
But you get the point.
Will chop your fingers off.
Okay, we have that.
Yeah.
Not that one. I don't.
The tornadoes.
Yeah.
With the aluminum blades.
Yeah. I don't think I want that too.
Medium is very powerful and fast. Even with the 60-inch blades, I'm not surprised at the performance on these things. You got 180 by 25 millimeter motor. Of course, you're going to move a lot of air with those 15-degree blade pitch. And the airflow is pretty much close to being on par with the 1930s original in my house. Which just shows you how much of a champion performance this thing gets. And yeah, keep in mind that these are one of the best fans that Gulf Coast sells. And here's full power. No surprise, performance is top tier with the for a fan with the spinner motor. And I got, and Tiaras are definitely one of my favorite Gulf Coast fan, and they are moving it to DC eventually, as I heard. So we're definitely. So I decided to buy the AC version before they discontinue it. All right, that's it with this one.